Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of April is Kathy. She has selected this mood board as our inspiration piece in putting together our kit for the month of April. She has also given us a challenge and you a challenge if you would like to play along, and that is to scrap each one of the Mini Kit Monday ladies. And then the next question I know you're wondering is, how do I play along if you are new to our group? What you do is you put your kit together, you snap a photograph of your kit, photograph of your April kit, and you upload that to the April album. And guess what? You will receive an entry to possibly win a scrapbooking gift card or a curated kit from Kathy. I don't know what she's doing. She normally gives out gift cards. All right, and then each Monday when you create a layout, you will snap a photograph and upload that to the April album. So if you do not want to play along and you are just looking for inspiration, you need to go over to the Facebook group site and go through the albums, and you will find something guaranteed that will inspire you to scrapbook your memories. All right, so enough of that. Let's get on to layout 2. And for week 2, layout 2, I chose this layout from Kathy's Instagram account. She created this layout in 2018. And what I originally was inspired, I know that you see my paper in the background, but I'm just letting you know because I had no idea what papers I was going to use. When I saw this layout, what drew me to this layout was this basically geometric type design, or tight pattern design is what I should say. If I was lucky enough to find the color scheme, that would be fabulous. But if I couldn't, I would be a-okay with that. I was more interested in finding a tight pattern paper that wasn't flowers or butterflies, nothing like that. And that's when I found this paper from Simple Stories, their Kate and Ash collection from 2020. And as you can see, this is a tight triangle pattern. Actually, they overlap each other, and guess what? I have a lot of the same colors in this pattern paper that's in Kathy's layout. The only thing that's missing is this bright yellow, but I have some pink. It's a little softer. I've got some orange, and then my yellow is more like an amber yellow. I've got green. See the green? It pretty much matches. And this one has mint, which her layout did not have mint. Then my next step was to find embellishments and paper layers that somewhat matched this pattern paper here. Then I went digging through my photographs that need to be documented, and I found this one of my little guy zonked out from being at summer camp. He had gone to summer camp for 5 days. I picked him up and we were headed straight to our mountain property, and he zonked out. And I just thought this photograph would go great with this collection that I put together for Mini Kit Monday. All right. So now what I'm going to do is trim this zip strip off. Okay. I'm going to mat my photograph using these papers here, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to embellish this layout together, or you're going to watch me embellish it and see my process. Okay, I am back. And yes, I didn't show you the process because my house was completely open and people are out mowing their yards, neighbors are talking to one another, kids are out playing, dogs are out barking, birds are chirping because it was such a beautiful day, the day I was creating this layout. So I'm just going to go over the process. I do apologize for that, but I had to have all my windows and doors open because it was the first day that it was sunny, 70 degrees, so we were just enjoying it and taking it all in. So back to the layout. All right, for my wood stars here, the larger ones that I added, I inked them up using mustard seed distressed oxide ink. Then I put 3 smaller stars and left them natural, the wood veneer stars. This alpha set is an older Amy Tan, probably 4 or 5 years old. Like Kathy's layout, she indicated the year right here on this tag, so I put the year right here. Remember, I was using standby, it was a circle element. I cut it off, tuck that portion here and put this here. Originally my thought was to place it down here because in Kathy's Kathy's layout, as you can tell, she had a large cluster going on here and here, and I flipped it, but I didn't want to put anything down in there. Here I couldn't find anything, maybe later, but it's fine just the way it is. Here is this 4x6 card that was in my stash, and then I added these tile alphas right here and these foam alphas here. These came out in a Chanel collection. I don't remember which one, but this alpha is still available. And these tile alphas, I'm thinking they might still be available too. I'm trying to look here real quick while I'm talking to you to let you know. Yep, I'm pretty sure these are still available. And these are, oh my gosh, see, I've cut this off so it'll fit how I store my alphas. Bella Boulevard, Doodlebug, possibly. I'm thinking maybe Doodlebug, but I'm not sure. But I did get them off scrapbook.com. And you could find them on Cherry on Top because those are my 2 favorite places that I purchase product from other than close to my heart, lately anyway. Then I have these chipboard pieces that came from an Echo Park, and this was gifted to me at a scrapbook retreat before COVID hit, so that's about 2 years old, and her name was Mary, and I don't know if Mary watches my videos or not, but anyway, thank you, Mary. I'm still got a few little pieces left, not much. I've used your kit that you provided me, so just a shout out. All right, then this wood veneer that says love this, I inked it up with mustard marmalade. Oh, and this chipboard piece came from the same outdoor collection. Then in my happy scrappy stash, I found this button, and I took the button portion, you know, the clip off, and added that, and that's quite old, and it says Happy Camper. Oh, and this wood veneer, I inked it up with pine needles, and it goes very well with the alphas from Chanel's collection. Then for my finishing touches, I'm into using my Nuva drops, and so the yellow is called Dandelion Yellow, which I just love this yellow, and I used it to frame in this 6x4 card right here and draw your eye. Then I used this green that is woodland green right here between my wood veneer and my die cut, which I pop dot this up, or not, or use foam adhesive, I'm sorry. And then I used the dandelion, the wood, what it was called, woodland green and ripe pumpkin right here, over here. So I put like 3 together and then made 2 dots going up over the little title right there. All right, guys, I appreciate you all. I know this was a little bit longer video because of the introduction portion, but I just like to put that information out there in the beginning of the video about our Facebook group, how you can play along, yada, yada, yada. Now, below in the description box, one more time, I will let you know that I have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below so that you can go check them out, and our Facebook group site, which you will find lots of layouts. All right, we will see you again. Have a fabulous day, have a fabulous week, and be sure to give a thumbs up and keep coming back. All right, we appreciate you all. Get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way using your scrappy stash. Bye.